Science quiz, wild knowledge. See how much you know about the animal kingdom. What animal is called the king of the jungle? Lion. What kind of animal is a whale? Mammal. Which of these animals is a fish? Shark. What covering do most mammals have? Fur. Which of these is a mammal that lives in the ocean? Dolphin. What is the tallest land animal? Giraffe. What amphibian remains aquatic for its whole life? Axolotl. Which reptile is most closely related to birds? Crocodile. What type of mammal lays eggs? Monotreme. How many chambers does a crocodile's heart have? 4. Which animals did you know and which ones stumped you? Drop your score below and challenge your wildest friend. Follow or subscribe for more wild science quizzes every week.